This is so cute. I love this one. These great big portraits and everything. But this is of the olden days when they had almost like a little homemade here. Looks like a bike. Probably be like a three-wheel. Little cart. You can see they kind of squared it all off. They're selling ice cream. Large cups, raspberry and peaches. Oh, and banana. Oh, I want that. But anyhow, look at this. Got their friend to turn around and take a portrait. So it's a portrait of taking a portrait of them having ice cream. Look at that. He's going to feed her some ice cream. Look how they're dressed. So that gives you a time frame of when this portrait was taken. It's all part of history. Now this is what used to be fun. This was entertainment. This was joy. And if a boy took you for ice cream, you know you were loved. Because it was those little things that mattered so much. Look at that. Isn't that cool? There's the ice cream man right there. Selling his ice cream. He's feeding it to her. Look at that. Young love. Isn't that something? What a beautiful portrait. So it's a nice home decorating portrait. It's part of history. Something to hold on to for sure. Nice. Alright. And there's here. Oh boy, they're duck hunting. That's a nice great big one. That's what go good in the boys' room and stuff. All about duck hunting. Look at that. Perfect aim. Look at that. He's got his belt with a knife on and everything. Kind of cool. And there you go. Supper's on the way. Alright. This is actually 84 by Frost. Neat. Alright. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Of course, you know, the one I like the most is this top one right here. This is just so natural. Great part of history we really want to hold on to. Simple life. The little things that gave pleasure. Going to the ice cream. Alright. Be sure to share the videos with others. Bye-bye now.